What is the future of modern law enforcement? It's humanoids. There's autonomous vehicles there, and then there are some vehicles that humans can drive, and they also have drones. I believe the vehicle to the right is a drone launcher that's full of drones that can shoot drones out of the top that can chase people down. The idea is you can have a remotely controlled vehicle run around and take pictures of people and get their IDs, or you can drive your own little car around full of drones and send the drones after people, or if you've got the big bucks, you can get this robot humanoid that runs around and chases people. Here's a look at the autonomous one with the cameras that you can remotely control to chase people. There's a dog with a mysterious mounting bracket on his back for some purpose. And I'll put a link to their website. It's written behind that robot there, humanoids.com, where you can learn more. They say they also sell it to private people. So your best preemptive move might be to buy a bunch of these humanoids and station them around your house for the future that's inevitably coming towards us right now. Maybe you build your own home security force to protect yourself against whatever's coming. And maybe you could even hook up that little humanoid guy to AI and have him teach your kids how to do mathematics and other things. Might be a dual-purpose, multi-purpose humanoid if you can get some AI into them. So I have no connection to these people. I just saw it at the show and thought it was scary, but kind of cool as well.